your points.
So, during this lockdown, the people see that it's the waste, but it is not like that. This lockdown helps us to be with our family and know their routine, like what they do, what they like, and their what is their favorite, etc. And uh, we can also uh, be with our grandparents, because they means grandparents and children have more danger in this time, so we can be with them, spend time, which will improve our relation and
So Swara, okay,
and
according to you, the benefit of this lockdown is what? You are staying with your parents, okay? So it is very useful to improve the relationship, okay? Now, your turn. You have to fight this point. Did you get her point?
okay.
So fight her
Yes,
point.
yes.
Fight her point.
Swara, but if we are at home with our parents, there is a loss of parents also. The parents are not able to do the work. So it is not like that. Other time also we are with our parents.
Yes. That's good. What he's saying? Yes. Yes, what he's saying that if parents are at home, that's good. That's good. But what happens? Swara, listen me carefully. But what happens if parents are at home, but they are like unemployed? They're not able to do work.
Yes.
Okay. So what's your opinion on that? You have to fight that point.
Sir, but during other age we are having schools, offices, means we can't give much time to them, right? So we give all of our time to them only.
Okay, so according to Swara, what she said that because of this lockdown, if the parents are still unemployed, but because of this lockdown, if there is no lockdown, then we are not able to with our parents. Okay, so because of this lockdown, we are full time with our parents. So what your opinion on that? Yes, Om.
My opinion on this point is that if our parents are at home, they are not having any work. So at how much time they will play with us or sit with us now or stay time with us? They are also having their works. My father is doing online work.
So Swara, what he said that
it's not like that.
What he said that the parents are continuously with not continuously with us, okay, and his parent, that is his father, working from home. They are working online, okay. But is this a loss?
In selling the vegetables.
But in what sense you think that it is a loss? In what sense
Sir,
it is a loss?
He is doing the work from.
So it is a benefit. So how can you say that it is a loss? See, Om, what's your points are? You have to talk on the losses of this lockdown.
Yes.
And you have to fight her
So
point.
that is only the loss that.
Huh?
So that is the loss only. He is not able to go out. He have to sit home and do the work.
Okay. Yes, Swara. Now, what's your opinion on that?
Sir, during daily days,
Mm-hmm.
we go outside, meet people. So we sometimes get viral diseases, common diseases like cold, cough. But during these days, we will not. If some
Yes.
people go out,
Okay, so according to Swara, what she said, because of this lockdown, there is no any situation like this. The diseases like this, cough, cold, and all that things will not. That viral infection will not get caught of that. Okay, so this is the benefit of this lockdown. So what you are saying, Om? Just fight this point.
Sir, there is a loss of dogs in this doctor's case.
Loss of
What?
Om, pardon please.
Loss of doctor's case because they are not able to earn the money.
Loss of doctors.
They not earn
Yes,
the
sir,
money.
because if we are not
So according to Om, he said that there is a loss of doctors also. Yes, what you said,
Swara.
Yes, sir.
it's your
Swara.
turn.
Swara, it's your turn. Just fight this point. He said that the doctors having losses.
They became
Yes, huh?
so they became doctors to protect us only. So it is their duty to be there at the time. So it's not the loss. They'll get their payment, but let the lockdown settle and the disease cure. So the credit will be given to them only. No one else.
This is very
it's
good
not
point. This is very
that
good
they
good
will
point.
not be-
So yes, Om, what she said that during this lockdown, the doctors have served this nation. Okay, so this is very good point. Now another point, Swara, another point. Next point.
Sir, when a child is alone at home and both of the parents are working, he do not gets to meet even one. Means he sometimes get to meet. So they get much time to be with them. And one more point is that the environment improves. Because the factories vehicles are stopped, so the pollution created by them is less. Means really closed almost.
Okay, according to Swara, listen Om, she said that because of this lockdown, all are at
Yes.
home, so vehicle pollution, that factory pollution stopped. So environment makes clean. So what is your opinion on that? Put
yes,
your
it is
points.
really good, ma'am, but it is not like that the pollution is less. But if the parents are at home, both the parents are working, it is the loss of the parents. They are at home, they are not doing any work, so there is a loss of money of the parents. It is not
You
like that
just
there is
said that they do work from home, right?
Yes, Om, what she said, you just said that your parents working from home. Then how could they suffer for the losses? They don't suffer for the losses. What else? What else?
It's a benefit, right?
yes.
See, we'll
Sir, no point.
see.
on this.
Listen carefully. So, still, both of you are not able to fight on this topic because of your study. You not studied the points very well, and what you to do, you have to write the benefits and losses of this lockdown and take a photograph it and post it on our WhatsApp group. Okay, so that everyone can go through it. Okay, so do this homework properly, and then tomorrow we will have this session again. Okay, is it okay so far?
And think that you are thinking about only parents and parents. You have to think about all of points, about the
Yes.
farmers, all fields, because farmers, economy, all about the nation, about the world also. So open
Poverty
your mind,
and all that things.
all the things.
Okay,
Okay, don't think only the parents are.
take your mind towards take your mind outside this wall. Okay, and see the world,
Yes.
what's going on. Okay, and we'll have this session tomorrow again. Actually, this session is very nice. You are both talking very nicely, but having points very less. Okay,
Okay, you can
so study
take
it
your
properly.
parents' help. You can discuss at your home. Okay, you can
First write down the points, post it on group, both of you. Okay, so that it is very beneficial
Yes.
for you to fight on that points. Okay, right now what happened, you
Yes.
don't know what she's talking, and what Om is talking. That's why there is a very confusion in both of you. Okay, so just to avoid this confusion, post your points on the WhatsApp group. We'll have this session tomorrow. Is it okay?
Tomorrow sharp 6 o'clock. Swara, keep in
So
mind.
we'll stop here.